1 scoop, and 2 scoops. And after 2 scoops, gentle tap, just one. And close the lid and place the tool down. Okay, so let's try here. So please share the natsume and bring it close to your bowl. And use chashaku, 2 scoops, hold the bowl on your hands. And bow once. And using right hand, turn the bowl clockwise twice. And start drinking. And when you finish drinking, you wipe the bowl, use your finger. Then turn the bowl backwards, counterclockwise twice. And put the bowl back.